Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the quick process of creating a new development branch directly on GitHub to safely isolate your experimental code. First, launch your internet browser, navigate over to github.com, log in, and open the specific repository where you want to work. Right above the main file window on the left side, look for a drop-down button that currently displays the name of your active branch, which is usually labeled main or master. Go ahead and click on that button to open up a compact search and selection menu. Then click inside the text field at the very top. Type in the exact name you want to give your new custom branch, making sure to use clear lowercase letters and hyphens, like feature-login or bugfix-style. As you type, a new option will dynamically appear right below the text field that says Create Branch followed by your new name from main. Click that option, and GitHub will instantly refresh the page, duplicate your current codebase into this isolated branch environment, and automatically switch your view to it so you can begin working safely without affecting your production code. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.